Let me fill your ears with the legends of our creators. Tahiti, the god of fire. There's Kutturan and Pauna, brother and sister. There were spirits. They created the universe and all that exists. Kutturan and Pauna was looking down at this earth, all covered with water. So Kutturan and Pauna decided they wanted to sacrifice themselves to bring life to this earth. So Kutturan gave his powers to Pauna, saying, Pauna, use my eyes, create the sun and the moon. Then she says, use my eyebrow to create the rainbow. Then she says, use my back to create the land and our islands. Saipan, Dinian, Luta, Taguahan. Pauna was complete. She too said, Tahiti, with your fiery power, turn me to a rock. So she threw herself down to earth, and she became Hura Rock, the rock of creation, from where all life sprung forth. The Tatamona, the first people, spread out to all my islands. Look at the Tasi, the ocean. Now close your eyes. Look with your mind's eye. Imagine the Tasi over 5,000 years ago. Those are not birds flying over the ocean. Those are canoes built by your ancestors. The fastest canoe known to man in the Pacific, called the Sackman, or the flying boat. Their wings, or their sail, is like giant wings. It glides them through the water in lightning speed. Open your eyes. Is this what you see out in the ocean? The Sackman. Now look back out in the ocean. You see the waves pounding against the shores of our island? Those were created by two great chiefs, one from the north and one from the south of Guam. The chief from the south. California, the chief of the north. They wanted to find out who's the strongest among them. So they got into a colliding. The small canoe facing the opposite direction. And they paddled with all this strength. Ooh, they paddled with all their strength. Until the colliding broke in half. Their strength and them paddling all around the islands of the Marianas. Do you see the waves? They were created by them. It's used by our canoes through the ocean to this day. Are you intrigued? Then my luck.